Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether Relay Bank will give you blank checks. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to answer it for you. What is Relay Bank? Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about what Relay Bank is. Relay Bank is a digital bank that was founded in 2017. It's a relatively new bank, but it's already gained a lot of popularity. Relay Bank is known for its innovative features, such as its ability to let you deposit checks using your smartphone. How does Relay Bank work? Relay Bank is a mobile-only bank, which means that you can access your account from your smartphone or tablet. You can open a Relay Bank account in just a few minutes. Once you're approved, you can start using your account right away. Can you get blank checks from Relay Bank? The answer to this question is yes, you can get blank checks from Relay Bank. However, there are a few things you need to know before you request them. First, you need to have a Relay Bank checking account. If you don't have a checking account, you can open one online or by calling Relay Bank customer service. Second, you need to order your blank checks online or by calling Relay Bank customer service. You can't order blank checks in person at a Relay Bank branch. Third, it will take some time for your blank checks to arrive. It can take up to 2 weeks for your checks to arrive. How to order blank checks from Relay Bank? Here are the steps you need to follow to order blank checks from Relay Bank. Go to the Relay Bank website or call Relay Bank customer service. Sign into your Relay Bank account. Click on the Ordering Checks tab. Select the type of checks you want to order. Enter your shipping address. Pay for your checks. How to use blank checks from Relay Bank. Once you receive your blank checks, you can use them just like you would use any other check. You can write a check to pay a bill, make a deposit, or give someone a gift. Are there any fees associated with ordering blank checks from Relay Bank? Yes, there are some fees associated with ordering blank checks from Relay Bank. The fees vary depending on the type of checks you order and how many checks you order. What are the benefits of using blank checks from Relay Bank? There are a few benefits to using blank checks from Relay Bank. First, it's convenient. You can order your checks online or by phone, and you can have them delivered to your home. Second, it's affordable. Relay Bank's check ordering fees are competitive. Third, it's safe and secure. Relay Bank uses the latest security technology to protect your information. In conclusion, Relay Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient, affordable, and safe way to order blank checks. If you're considering opening a Relay Bank account, I encourage you to do your research and make sure that Relay Bank is the right bank for you. If you have any questions about Relay Bank or how to order blank checks, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more banking tips. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.